Big losses from power outage at work.
This generator saved the day in 1 second.
4.5 kW high power open front design for the durability without compromising work efficiency. Pure sine wave frequency conversion technology allows air conditions and computers to be turned on at the same time with voltage and stable ambient electricity, ensuring that equipment does not burn out. Open front design for fast heat dissipation ensures no downtime even with continuous use in summer. With 25 weeks, easy to move to anywhere. Bulk purchase prices are lower, exclusive customization is supported, and each machine goes down the comprehensive testing. It saves 30% more fuel than ordinary models, has global certifications such as CE, EPA, and serves as your reliable supplier, helping you seize the market. Welcome to contact us at any time. We're happy to provide you with valuable products and services.